for assembly C Emma teacher B na so aye hyepa na esiye ewo Aguna Namanrura Senior High School ewo Central Region no na de yate ene se teacher wa we hu ne picture ewo screen so no teacher we yese wa kwa bo students bi asum no be bisa se eden ena students no yeah answer your better as on subscribe na click notification bell na na that screen so sisia na quickly en concept ni mu the yate ene se the only thing the student did ene se student no we will at the MP no eba school ni mu na MP no de wo ye ne se wokoto na wokoto a ewo the schools a ewo ne constituency the senior high schools ewo ne constituencies because embre we ye embra wo mo ahia asese wo mo tro final examination what you say end of term exams nti woko sa school Aguna school din Aguna Namanrura Senior High School nti woko ho na woko to na MP ne din e de Pokua Soya ya friend Madam Pokua Soya na woko ho ne say students baako wave at MP no just student nani age say we hu MP no around and we hu MP no around it no what tene nsa atre say a nice gesture wo wave MP no obi ni be dia teacher ifi ye be han say teacher yi aba be student nani so gram wo MP nani mo wa student na so mo MP nani assembly ni teacher ye ko do assembly mo su ko ne ye te say teacher yi kra no just say ya dia wo ye ne ho sa like on the school bia wo teacher bia ya na person ye ne ho say student ni suro no na teacher no ni din ya te ene say friend Wahab Adams intino empirical express shock e ma ne question teacher ni bisan say no student no ya den empini bufu ye pa ni bufu madam ni bufu ye wo school mu ho e ma wo wo school mu ho students no school no be bia wo community no omo a wo mu di empinachi e ba school no wo mu ni abuafu say ye nja yo mu no mo nso embu teacher ni bi etiefo na student wo form 3 wo ye general art na student ma meka ebeti asem ma ne ma me bufu ye ni ma me din de Evelyn Hansen student obema ne ma me bufu ye ne ma me so ba school no ho e ma ne ma me be question say na me ba no wo ye den school yi mu ntumi nkasa na wo bi a wo ho bia na ehu say akola ne the only thing na wo ye ne say wo wave at MP no say MP aba we hu ne MP wo wave at ono keke e na wa be bona sum say na assembly say ebeto enim ya na wo nim say ebia teacher ne ma one say MP ne ba mo obi an wave no ana MP ne ba mo obi anye say o say den yo no one actually knows but the school authority are actually tight-lipped teacher na ngasa on so be kasa wa assembly ho school authorities now your mother say we mo be investigation on this matter but the community the members of the community are angered and na wo mo call for sanction say GES Ghana Education Service wo mo nye na teacher no yen sanction no na assembly mu ye do mu suko de ko hu ne say the SC and say assembly it could be politically motivated and only asema bro ni beka that is a wushemu as a politics be eteta assembly because assembly ni MP na wo ba school mu ho no student ko we na chese enu hunti student ni beje asombo no sa MP no wo ye NDC for candidate wo no na wo ye current MP for that constituency Aguna East constituency wo ono no ye current MP na shade the deputy education minister I friend Professor Kwesi Yanke wono nso pesa seat no for the MPP na 2020 elections are air deputy education minister Professor Kwesi Yanke wono na wogina in the name of MPP it was that same constituency niti akoye say won ne maami we kun for that seat no into the MP nanka sample asema work and say wono de wosusu say no hunti na teacher no wabo student now so because if a teacher no belongs to Professor Kwesi Yanke in the camp na ne ya because o ma yo margin say MP ba student mo bi ambe bo say na MP ni tiri wunya ne de into student so kwa yes ade no a teacher na bufuo ama wakobo student na sum Inti ne mameka eka se assembly wo report atre eye akola no ne grandfather na wo mo akọ report teacher no to the police. But why wouldn't say Ghana ye wo assembly e bedane politics ametumi atre se teacher ye nye ne hwe. Wa boss student na sum free because enye say ebia MP no enye say wono na ebia the party eruli oman no oye opposition but wono ne current MP a wote ho inti assembly enkosi hwe if indeed politics no bad and if indeed politics are can one some say politically motivated no ne crack na aden na teacher wo be BBC aden na MP no was it this not the first time ya wono ne nkrofo ana wono ankasa saa o say maybe ice blood ankasa ene ya totobo wono ene wono ne nkrofo a wo mo nso yes wo mo koto some of this like a similar situation say ya into your no de wonim say MPP for na sa assembly ase we can't prove that say MPP for na ase no one actually knows ebia obekwa akohwem kran na teacher ne de ntia wo ye bibi sa kran na enya even politically motivated but politicians say kasa they obviously who expect say obeka say politically motivated we ene nsema aba abeto yenim na mesre police for MC Ghana ha say akola any penyinya asema o yeden kra wo akola no bedi for wo kosroba from yeden wo akola no bedi for nanki ye hwe susu ampa as a teacher utumetene wonsa ehwe akola asum ewo MP enim wo mfere wo bimpo de obeka say okay MP ne kwa ena wo student no me punish you ba wo de wo mfere MP nankasa enim na watene wonsa ahwe akola na sum sabe akola no po wa ye bone kra na ya sumbo me ya because you see you banning those kind of punishment in Ghana schools but and the local Ghana schools are still a teacher for a year students yakayaka there. It's only in Ghana and yamauko school they make you feel like it's a punishment. It is only in Ghana. Yemi access Ghana in school primary JSS SHS just say a teacher for ni who are bibi kakra ni show ya be hwe mo say mmoa Ghana minim exams to do near set exams questions are not just say ya said that the question the ding teacher no what term 1 + 1 who quote exams question what the 100 times 20 times then about just said your child class and what the times there and about the ding and about exams we make school feel like a punishment be it will be co school no more just say now so nanka school pan ye see school ananka ye ko se ye ni asebe ye kosua ade asebe e be ma ye diye e wo daache ana ye kosua nyansa bi at least daache bi e be ma ye tumi atena se asem bi ba ni ya bobo hu ye na teacher e was asebe wo tre enkola nyansa no wumom se akola ne ko wevi MP nti wakobo na sum we ya ade ayeye we ya ade ayeye I think say earlier this year was a late last year video being so essential echo viral I think Kumasi High was said yen na sa particular teacher nempo de yeso wono sa na ote wono de students didn't know say wo di agro bebo wasum sisi a wa gidin school nim as school authorities no wo nim say teacher yi sabi sa nsem we na wo de year students no school mu ho but wo bia nka hye entre teacher no Mako school wogam as a Ghana SHS school bia there's a particular teacher wo yesa SHS school bia wo Ghana teacher bi wo ho a udi agra no wabo wasum udi agra no yese udi agra no yese minim se ni na mu no wo mo pese wo mu hu a like wo hu wo a wo throw se den you. But why will you be treating someone's son like this just because we will be at an MP aden also le be ma MP no le wo aden na MP no one stop MP no from coming to the school. Why couldn't you stop the MP from touring the school? Now if one ma MP na ba school no ye tour ene nkwala na kasa ka tro mo se wo mo mbo mo homoden na daachi bi ebe ye ne te se o show mo kran a wa show mo kran a student ba ko ni aja wo we vinity wa kobo na sum we asem teacher Wahab Adams. Now this is the side from the victim no any the mame any MP. We've not heard police reports nankasa. If omakoye report kana yente teacher nankasa nso ono nso yente ne side of the story no. Minim say ebufuo wo ho a etumi ba sometimes so tumi ya ade ebufuo because me hu bi emra na me wo SHS 1 na me teacher bi wo buy class a wo ne yensre but sa teacher no wo ko hia no wo si wo punish wo be forget say wo buy class no kra wo ne wo sre ye na no wo students bi ku gidigidi a wo buy class ania na ye ne tintini ye kra ye question say oh senia ye bu ne pa adan na wo ne students kokon ye a wo no mpo wo fere ye a wo pa ye cho intimiji bi say sometimes ebufuo etumi masa nsem we eba but ya say but eni kwan say teacher ubufu a wo de co students so sa enye emboa ba ko sei etie for emboa mo try ma join comment box ni mo me da say